Yeah, bitch. um, oh no, no ho. Bitch, it's like you're a yo-yo, but really, you're just a big hozo, going damn slow. Like the fuck is you thinking? Cheating on me? Bitch, you fucking broke me. Claiming you got an STD, oh please. You know I ain't got shit. Damn, you destroy my heart. It's time to tear you apart. You got me into DDLG. But wait, I'm an OG. Now make me the GOAT. Shit, man. I was still a virgin. Damn. Bitch, you a whore. Damn. None of that shit was me? Damn. Calling me daddy? I don't think so. Claiming I had one first. Wait, what? Get your damn boyfriend on me. Shit, as well, man. I'ma go after him next. Damn, this was only a preview. Shit. At least I know how to make a diss track. But damn, see, man, you can say a bunch of bad shit about me, but man, none of that shit will affect me. Damn, cause nobody else knows you actually really knows me. Damn, hold up. See? Man, you can say all you want. But man, I'm the bitch. Man. Huh. Yeet. Yeah. Huh. Peace.